this is Shomshikha presenting before you today's bulletin. First, the COVID-19 update. In India, the total tally of confirmed corona cases rises to 1,90,535, out of which 91,818 people recovered and 5,394 people lost their lives. With that, 93,322 active cases in India till now. In Assam, the total tally of confirmed corona cases rises to 1,347, out of which 185 people recovered and 4 persons lost their lives. With that, 1,155 active cases in Assam till now. Now the national news. On the last day of fourth phase of lockdown, as both central and state governments prepared for the phased unlocking of curves to get the economy up and running again, India saw its highest ever jump in COVID-19 infection, with 8,237 cases being reported on Sunday. The nationwide coronavirus lockdown has been extended to 30th June. And released a list of new guidelines to the fifth phase, dubbing it Unlock 1, which will have an economic focus. The Home Ministry said prohibited activities will be opened in a phased manner outside containment zones. This will be allowed in 3 stages, the ministry said, adding that each would only be allowed if Health Ministry SOPs are followed. Activities listed in the second and third stages will only be permitted after assessing the on-ground situation and in consultation with states and union territories, the Home Ministry added. A day before further easing of the lockdown with significant curbs restricted to containment zone, Prime Minister Narendra Modi struck a note of caution and asked people to guard against complacency while emphasizing the need to maintain physical distancing, use masks and practice good hygiene. Lowering of guard is not an option, the Prime Minister said as he referred to the plan for full resumption of rail and domestic air travel and reopening of a substantial chunk of the economy. The night curfew will be imposed between 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. instead of the time given on the fourth phase of lockdown, that is from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. Night curfew movement of individuals shall remain strictly prohibited between 9 p.m. and 5 a.m. as per an order issued by the Ministry of Home Affairs. Indian Navy ship INS Jalaswa sailed for Colombo port in Sri Lanka today, carrying around 700 Indian nationals back to Tuticorin in Tamil Nadu. This is the first operation as part of Samudra Setu from Sri Lanka to repatriate Indian citizens as part of Vande Bharat mission. The ship reached Colombo this morning and will depart by late evening. Now the news on sports. The Spanish league is resuming in less than 2 weeks, with Real Madrid playing its game at the club's training center. Madrid will host Eibar on 14 June at 6,000 capacity, a venue used mostly by the club's B team at the Ciudad Real Madrid Center on the city's outskirts. The Premier League's planned restart on 17 June received a further boost on Saturday when the latest batch of novel coronavirus tests produced on a positive result. The test was carried on a Thursday and Friday. The Premier League confirmed that on Thursday 28 May and Friday 29 May, 1,130 players and club staffs were tested for COVID-19. Of this, 0 have tested positive, the league said in a statement. Now the news from Northeast. Rapidly, the number of patients is day by day increasing in Tripura. On Sunday afternoon, CM of Tripura Biplab Kumar Dev tweeted 663 samples have been tested for COVID-19, out of which 34 people found positive. The detected patient have a travel history. They came from Chennai. In Assam, 3,208 incidents came forward for violating the lockdown rules, for which 35,98,700 rupees was collected as fines or for not wearing masks till 31st June, tweeted by Assam Police. Along with it, many people are arrested and vehicles and boats were detained. In total, 3,17,10,850 rupees was collected as fines for violating the lockdown rules. 67 new corona cases in Assam, tweeted Himanta Biswa Sharma last night. With that, the total tally rises to 1,339 plus, said by Himanta Biswa Sharma. Now the regional news. With the relaxation in fifth phase of lockdown or a first phase of unlock, efficiency of correct number of positive cases from the reliable sources getting less authentic. In Karimganj, 6 people were detected as positive and 5 in Hailakandi, whereas Health Minister of Assam tweeted incorrect information. In lieu of 6 positive cases in Karimganj and 5 in Hailakandi, he just only written 3 in Karimganj, which is an incorrect information given in Twitter by Health Minister. However, Himanta Biswa Sharma reported last night it's 67 new corona cases in Assam, but with the earlier stated, it will be more than that. From Monday onwards, 6 flights started operating in Silchar. At 7 in morning, first flight arrived with 100 passengers from Kolkata, and at 9 in morning with 128 passengers flew back to Kolkata, and with 68 passenger flight arrived at 11 am. But due to the climate condition, the time differed. Along with it, Delhi-Guwahati Silchar flight is flying normally. That's all for today's bulletin. Have a nice day. Thank you.